Today I will be showing you how to vlog so that you yourself can become a vlogger. You are in safe hands. I've been vlogging for almost 50 years now, and I'm keen to share my vast knowledge of vlogging with you. The first and most important thing that you'll need in order to become a vlogger is movement. I am stationary at the moment, so I am first going to need to move around. Using my body, I am going to vlog across the room. Watch me do that now. That is the first part of vlogging. The second part of vlogging includes looking at the camera. You must always look at the camera while you're moving, otherwise you'll not be successfully vlogging. I am going to move across the room again. Notice this time the vast improvement in vlogging quality. Here goes. As you can see, the vlogging skills are greatly improving. The next part of vlogging involves talking to the camera while you are moving along. Again, I'll show you how that is done. Like before, you're going to want to move across the room and also have something to talk about. I think I need to pee. Been holding it in for quite some time. Don't know if I can last much longer. Excellent work! You're so close to becoming a vlogger now. There is one final step that you'll need in order to become a fully fledged vlogger, and that is to do all the previous steps but while holding the camera. This is where it gets extremely complicated because you're going to have to move, talk, hold the camera and stare at the camera all at the same time. And this is where unfortunately many people back out and they say to themselves, it's just too difficult, I'm just going to become a doctor instead. But don't give up, keep practicing and you'll be vlogging in no time. So let me show you what a professional vlogger looks like. Thanks for joining me on this vlog. I'm currently in this bedroom. As you can see, it's absolutely mind-blowing in here. I'm not sure what the time is, but it feels like it's quite early in the morning, maybe about 2 p.m. or something. The weather in here is really nice as well. It's not too hot, and there's very little in the way of rain as well, which is good, because I didn't bring a coat. Feeling a bit thirsty though. I haven't had a drink in upwards of 20 minutes, and that could be detrimental to my health because I could die. You can get like thirst exhaustion or something like that. So this is the vlog. Enjoy the surroundings and the foreground as well. It's the foreground right here. So there's so much to see and do. But I've got so little time, I need to explore and show you more of this magical place. So I will see you in the next part of the vlog. Catch you later. So I pray that you yourself will be able to learn all of these difficult steps and become a professional vlogger like myself. I'm going to go now and continue vlogging, so I'll catch you all later. Goodbye everybody. See you. Hey everyone, so I've just continued my vlog and I've just travelled to this brand new location. It's absolutely incredible here. I've not been here before either, so it's a whole new experience for me and possibly for you as well. Oh, it's amazing. Here, you can see the background. There's a wall. Don't know if you can see that. It's really exciting. I'm really happy to show you the wall. Let me do a drone video shot now of the entire area so you get to see how vast it is. Here we go. It's amazing, isn't it? Signing off.